In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace fast. If you're looking to make some quick cash or clear out a few items, Facebook Marketplace is a fantastic platform for reaching interested buyers in your area. Now let's walk through the process step by step so you can get your items sold as soon as possible. First things first, you'll need to log into Facebook. It's best to do this using the Chrome browser on your computer for an optimal layout and ease of use. Once logged in, head over to the left side of your screen and find the Marketplace icon. Click on it to enter the bustling online marketplace. Now that you're in the marketplace, you'll see an option to create a new listing. Go ahead and click on that, then select Item for Sale. This is where you begin setting up your listing, and it's important to make it as appealing as possible to potential buyers. Next, you'll want to upload between 3 to 5 photographs of your item. Make sure these photos are well lit and free of clutter. Clear and attractive images are crucial because they are often the first thing buyers notice. The better your images, the more likely people are going to click on your listing. Writing a short, catchy title for your listing is also important. The title should be brief but informative. For instance, if you're selling a phone, you might write iPhone 13, excellent condition, P20K only. This lets buyers know exactly what you're offering, its great condition, and a competitive price all in one glance. Setting a fair price can make or break a deal. It's a good strategy to set your price slightly lower than similar listings, as this may attract more attention and help sell your item quicker. However, you don't want to undervalue your item too much, so do a little research on current market prices. In the description box, add key details about your item, mention the condition, like whether it's new or used, include standout features such as brand, size, or specifications if applicable. If you're looking to sell quickly, adding a sense of urgency like first come, first serve, or available today only can encourage buyers to act faster. Don't forget to set your location. This ensures that your listing is shown to potential buyers in your vicinity, which is especially important since most people prefer local transactions. Once everything is set up and you're satisfied with how your listing looks, click Publish. Your listing goes live and can now be viewed by thousands of potential buyers. To give your listing even more exposure, consider boosting its visibility by sharing it in relevant buy and sell groups on Facebook. Finally, make sure to respond quickly to messages from interested buyers. Often, buyers choose to purchase from the seller who responds first. You're now well on your way to making a quick sale on Facebook Marketplace. Good luck and happy selling!